job here in Lakeland, Florida. Done by one crazy ass tree man, aka dumbass. Job in detail at the 2 water oaks and a large live oak, which is closely to the house and the pool area here, as you can tell. Yeah, it's getting close in it. Fucking sweet. I think a cracker knows what he's doing. Good 60-65 foot live oak. There's my trailer full here. 28 foot ladder, a couple of them stacked up. Again, laid out a large structural limb out here. Everything came up good. Fucking no damage to the fucking pool. Everything was good. Fucking limb landed right. Large oaks here, dropped. Cross and cross. Laid that oak out that way. That oak tree all the way up there. About to go up and finish and top this out. The bad thing about it is I'm all by my lonesome self, but I get things done, dude, because I've been doing it for this long. I wouldn't advise nobody to do it, but if you know what you're doing, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Yeah, total chaos, man. It's freaking crazy. That's what you call get her done. This is Dan and Dan's A1 Quality Tree Service. Kids, don't try this at home. Oh yeah. Mom, no hands.